What's up, guys? Welcome to your Bitcoin update. I have been trading, so no time to make videos, as these videos take a lot longer than you think to make. But anyways, we're going to take a quick look at the charts. I'm going to show you the key areas I'm watching. Also, don't forget we have a 100% free Discord group. There's a link down below in the description. Check it out and let's get into it. All right, guys, as always, this is not financial advice, trading advice, nor is it investment advice. Disclaimer scrolling on the bottom, make sure you read it. And just a reminder, we're doing a Ledger Nano S hard wallet giveaway on Sunday. All you have to do to enter to win is make sure you scroll down, hit that thumbs up, leave a comment, and make sure you are subscribed to the channel, and that will get you entered to win. All right, let's take a look and see what's going on. We're looking at the Fear and Greed Index. We're at 92, still the same as yesterday, still in the extreme greed zone. Bitcoin is at new all-time highs. Let's look at the Dow Jones. This is what we've been waiting for. We've been waiting for a test of this top trend line here, around 30,800 to 30,900, depending on where it hits here. Still making bearish divergence in the, we're making higher highs in the price, lower highs in the RSI, bearish divergence. Anyways, that's what I'm looking for, a break of this and a break above it and gaining support on that. That changes everything. Let's look at the DXY. So let's take a look at, I've been talking about this being a carbon copy, looking just like this over here. When I adjusted the trend lines on this wedge here, we look at it, you can see we had a test here, and we broke through right here. And then we broke through again after that. If we look at where we're at right now in this wedge, the same thing, we've broken through. If we cannot break back into this, that could be very bad for the dollar index, but we could break back above just like we did over here before breaking up. I'll keep a close eye on that. We'll keep an eye on it. Let's look at gold. So gold is making its way up. If gold can break above this 1910 area, it may shoot on up to around the somewhere in the 21-25 range, right in there. We'll keep an eye on this. I'm still expecting to possibly come back down to 1736. If you guys are interested in trading, these are primo times to be trading. Definitely check out Prime XBT, by far my favorite exchange. They don't trade against you. You don't get the scam wicks. You can trade Bitcoin, EOS, Ethereum, Litecoin, gold, Forex, oil, silver, everything all on one exchange. They have a lot of cool different ways you can set up your charts also, like this here. You can have multiple charts looking at multiple different things or whatnot. I will leave a tutorial up top. Definitely check it out. It tells you how to use the leverage, and it gives you a chance to win a $500 account. Just follow the directions in the video. And use my promo code SAVY50. That will get you 50% on top of whatever you deposit into your trading account. So if you put $1,000 in, you'll get a $500 bonus to use towards your margin. Savvy25 will get you 25% off of your fees. Yeah, check it out. And another thing, I tell you what, if you leave the comment 500 down below, tomorrow I'll be doing a $500 account giveaway. So all you have to do is leave the comment 500 down below. Also, check out my wife's Ink Your Image. This is her webpage. She makes a lot of cool stuff on here. The biggest things that have been doing really well are these masks here. You send her a picture of her face, your face, and she'll put it on the mask or anyone's. And yeah, check it out. A lot of other cool stuff on there. Hit her up in the contact if you have any questions. There is a link down below along with the other affiliate links. So here are the main charts I want to look at. These are the key areas I'm watching. This is the first chart. Get the RSI off there. That's not helping me any right now. But if we look at these trend lines here, we had talked about it. Let me get this off here. I don't know why that's on there. Sorry about that. All right, like I said, I'm going to make this quick, but as of right now, we popped above this first one here. We had a target of 22.6, popped above that, and right now we're lingering around in the middle. If we come back down to test this and get support, it could come up to, and I'm going to move this over a little bit, to that $2,600 range. So that's going to be an area to watch, and the sooner it hits, the lower it goes, so it could be 25.7, whatever, whatnot. We'll keep an eye on it. But I would expect a rejection here, possibly another retest this lower if that happens. And that's looking at it in this perspective. Otherwise, you see these lower targets here. These are the Fibonacci retracements. If by chance this is the top up here. So let's watch for a retest of this 22.5 to 22.7 area. If it does get a bounce off here, we could continue up, or we could play around it like we did right here. But as of right now, this is what I'm watching. You can look at this rising broadening wedge here that we had on here forever. And again, like I said, this is going to be a quick video. I just want to zip through it, show you guys some things. But right after this, I will show you some other interesting things, and I'll tell you where and why I plan on buying my HODL position back. All I have right now is 2 Bitcoin that I have in my trading accounts for trading. Anyways, looking at this rising broadening wedge here, if we do break up above this, and this is on the 4 hour, so if we get above the 23, say if we break 24,000, we're most likely going to be headed up to here, and that's if we break 24 within the next 24 hours or so. Then this would be the target, 29,590. That's the target of this wedge. But if you go back here, remember we have this here that will give us resistance between 25.7 and 26, somewhere in this range. So be very careful whether you're longing or shorting here. Let's look at this. Just a quick reminder of how and what happens when we do top out. Obviously, Bitcoin is in it's in a parabola right now. We're very parabolic. And when that happens, like you see over here, and we could go higher. Stick around for the next chart because I'll show you what I'm looking for. But anyway, right here, in 6 days, if we zoom in here, or actually 5 days, when it topped in 2017, within 5 days, we dropped almost 50% from 19,900 all the way down to 10,430. So be aware, that's what usually happens. I know a lot of institutions bought in, they're going to collect profits. Will it be today? Will it be tomorrow? Not sure, but they're definitely going to take some profits, and it's going to cause a crash. Maybe a flash crash and go right back up, but we'll talk about that in the next chart. All right, so we were at 13,890 here in 2019. Within 6 days, it corrected down 31%. All the way from that 13,870 to 9,650. So let's say if we just did a 31% correction, if we were topped right here, a 31% correction from here would be around 16,500. If we did the 50%, that would be 11,800. So just be aware of that. You know, we could go up to that 26, and then if we go up to the 26, a 30% correction would be 18,000. So keep an eye on this stuff, guys. Like I said, there is a possibility that we could get our correction coming from here, or it could go up a couple days. This is the chart I wanted to talk about here. This looks kind of confusing, but I'll explain it. Each top, we had our top back here in 14 to this peak right here in June 2016 was 560 days, 559 to be exact. And then from that top to this top here in 2018 was 543 days. Then if we go, or I'm sorry, 2017. If we go from the 2017 top all the way to the 2019 top, 556 days. 2019 top all the way to where we're at now, we're at 542 days. This could go to, you know, another week or two, so we could rise for another week or two possibly, but I do see the top coming in within the next week or so, if it's not already. And then if we look at the bottoms here, this was 408 days from the bottom in 2016 to the bottom in 2017, 408 days. Now, if we look at the recent ones, 2017 to 2018, this one's 458 days. 2018 to 2019, 454 days. So if we went in between these at 256 days from our last bottom, June, that is when I look to buy back in. Now, does that mean we'll be way down to 3,000, 5,000? No, we could be. It doesn't mean that. But it does mean I think that'll be when our next bottom's in. I'll be watching for it. It could be as high as 12,000. Who knows? But that's when I'll buy in my HODL position. But like I said, I do keep 2 Bitcoin in my trading accounts as of right now. And I usually cash out my profits that day. So anyways, that's what I'm looking at. And then if we do another 550 days from top to top, if this is the top today, that would be around June in 2022, which would be the top of this cycle. And this is when I'd be looking to sell somewhere in this area. Sell my HODL again from buying here, or at least half my HODL. I don't know if I'll sell the whole thing. We'll see how everything's going by then. But anyways, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe by clicking the Crypto Savvy logo above my head. Smash that like button. Leave your comment down below. And I will see you tomorrow, as long as things aren't crazy like they have been. But anyways, happy trading. Have a good one. Take it easy, and I'm out.